Are you searching for the ultimate back-to-school Amazon picks in the USA? Without spending a fortune or wasting time on products your kids won't use? You're in the right place. Whether you're a parent, a student, or even a teacher looking to recommend the best supplies, this guide is designed to help you shop smarter, not harder. We've scoured Amazon for the most practical, high-value essentials that students will actually use every day. And we've focused on items with low competition, so your affiliate links can truly stand out in a crowded market. From notebooks that last all year, to tech gadgets that make learning more interactive, we've found products that combine quality, affordability, and real-world usefulness. No more overpaying for trendy items that end up forgotten in a drawer. These are the supplies that will get your kids through the school year with confidence and style. The back-to-school season seems to start earlier every year, and savvy parents are getting a head start to avoid last-minute stress and beat rising prices. With inflation affecting everything from pencils to laptops, planning ahead is more important than ever. Shopping early means you'll have the best selection, and can take advantage of deals before the rush. This year, searches for pencil cases and backpacks have surged by over 80%, highlighting that organization and portability are top priorities for families. A well-organized backpack and a sturdy pencil case can make all the difference in keeping students prepared and stress-free throughout the year. In this video, we'll break down the must-have items for 2025, from everyday basics like notebooks and pens to the latest tech that's transforming classrooms. Whether you're shopping for elementary school, middle school, or high school, we've got you covered with recommendations that balance function, style, and value. Let's dive in and make this school year the smartest one yet. First up, Kleenex on-the-go tissues. Simple, but essential. These compact packs fit anywhere: school bags, lockers, even pencil cases. They're perfect for sniffles, spills, or quick cleanups, promoting independence and minimizing classroom disruption. Parents love them because they're cheap, come in bulk, and stay clean in their individual wrappers. It's a tiny investment for year-round comfort and hygiene. Don't overlook the basics. These are a must for every school bag. Kleenex on the go, small, practical, and always useful. Tablets like the iPad and Samsung Galaxy Tab have become classroom essentials. They replace heavy textbooks, double as notebooks, and offer endless educational apps. Whether it's for note-taking, research, or creative projects, a tablet adapts to every student's needs. The right tablet is a long-term investment, useful for schoolwork, hobbies, and communication. Even entry-level models pack plenty of power for years of use. Consider the ecosystem your family prefers, but don't overlook the value these devices bring. Tablets are now a central hub for learning and creativity. Crayola crayons and colored pencils are classics for a reason. They're durable, vibrant, and trusted by teachers and parents alike. Washable options make cleanup easy, encouraging creativity without the mess. Crayola's quality means fewer breaks and less waste, worth the slight price premium. Larger packs last longer and offer more color variety. Teachers often request Crayola by name for reliable results. For art supplies, Crayola remains the gold standard. Mechanical pencils are a game-changer for older students. No sharpening, just a click for a precise, consistent line, perfect for math, science, and detailed notes. They're cost-effective over time. Refill the lead, not the whole pencil. Built-in erasers and no shavings mean less mess and more convenience. Choose the right lead size for your needs. 0.5 mm for detail, 0.7 mm for durability. Brands like Pentel and Uniball offer reliable options. For most students, mechanical pencils are simply the superior tool. Staying hydrated is key for everyone, especially for kids and students who are constantly on the go. Whether it's a busy school day, a sports practice, or a family outing, having a reliable water bottle by your side makes it so much easier to drink enough water throughout the day. But with so many options out there, how do you know which bottle is best for your child or teen? Let's break down some of the top choices for every age and need. For younger kids, the Thermos Funtainer stands out as a favorite. It's designed with little hands in mind, featuring a push-button lid that's easy to open and close, even for preschoolers. The Funtainer is made from durable stainless steel, so it can handle drops and bumps in backpacks or on the playground. Parents love that it's truly spill-proof, and the double-wall insulation keeps drinks cold for hours, perfect for hot days or long field trips. For older students, the Stanley Ice Flow is a fantastic pick. It's built tough to withstand the daily wear and tear of middle and high school life, and its large capacity means fewer refills during the day. The Ice Flow's handle makes it easy to carry between classes or to after-school activities, and its superior ice retention keeps water refreshingly cold, even during long sports practices or outdoor adventures. If you're looking for something lightweight and easy to clean, the Camelback Eddy Plus is a great option for all ages. Its high-flow bite valve makes sipping effortless, and the bottle is made from BPA-free materials. The Eddy Plus is dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for busy families, and its slim design fits easily into most backpack pockets or cup holders. All three of these bottles are parent-approved for their leak-proof performance and simple cleaning routines. No one wants to deal with soggy backpacks or bottles that are impossible to scrub. These options are designed to make life easier for both kids and parents, with parts that are easy to take apart and wash. When choosing a water bottle, consider your child's age, daily routine, and preferences. Some kids love bright colors and fun designs, while others prioritize function and capacity. Investing in a quality water bottle not only supports healthy hydration habits, but also helps kids stay focused and energized throughout the day. Remember, a good water bottle is more than just a convenience, it's an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. Encouraging regular water breaks can help improve concentration, mood, and overall well-being, both in and out of the classroom. And finally, don't forget to label your child's water bottle with their name. It's a simple step that helps prevent mix-ups and lost bottles, making sure your investment lasts all year long. Lunch gear has gone sustainable. Bento boxes and reusable snack packs are the new standard. Bento boxes make portion control and variety easy, encouraging healthier eating. Brands like BentGo offer leak-proof, kid-friendly designs. Reusable snack packs from Bumpkins or Stasher replace single-use plastics and save money over time. Buy in bulk, portion out daily, and cut down on waste. These options are better for the environment, your wallet, and your child's lunch experience. Organized, eco-friendly, and practical modern lunch gear is a win-win. Make the switch this year. Today's backpacks are all about smart storage and comfort. Look for wide openings, multiple compartments, and padded laptop sleeves. Brands like JanSport, Herschel, and Fjallraven Kanken blend style with durability. Ergonomic features, padded straps, back panels, and sternum straps make heavy loads manageable. Pencil bags now offer multiple compartments and elastic loops for easy organization. No more digging for lost pens, everything has its place. The right backpack and pencil bag combo protects supplies and streamlines the school day. Invest in organization and comfort for a smoother year. For advanced math and science, the TI-84 calculator is still the gold standard. Required for many courses and exams, it's a long-term investment that lasts through high school and college. The TI-84 Plus CE's color screen makes graphs easier to read and interpret. Teachers structure lessons around this calculator, so having the right model matters. Durable and reliable, it's built to withstand years of classroom use. Don't skimp, this is one supply that pays off for years. The TI-84, essential for any STEM student. If you're a creator looking to boost your affiliate earnings, it's all about being intentional with how and where you place your links. Maximizing affiliate links isn't just about adding more of them, it's about making them work smarter for you and your audience. Let's break down some proven strategies to help you get the most out of every link you share. Start by organizing your product links in the video description. Use clear, descriptive text for each link so viewers know exactly what they're clicking on. Instead of a messy list, group similar products together and add a short note about why you recommend each item. This not only looks professional, but also builds trust with your audience. Take advantage of YouTube cards by linking products at the exact moment you mention them in your video. This real-time connection between your content and the product makes it much more likely that viewers will click through and check out your recommendations. Don't forget to pin a comment with your top product recommendations and affiliate links. This keeps your best picks front and center, even for viewers who don't open the video description. A pinned comment is a simple but powerful way to drive more clicks. For an even better shopping experience, group items by category, like camera gear, editing software, or home office essentials. This helps viewers quickly find what they're interested in and encourages them to browse multiple products instead of just one. Consider creating a dedicated blog post or a kit.co page where all your recommended products live in one place. With a single link, your audience can access everything you suggest, making it easy for them to shop and for you to track your affiliate performance. Remember, strategic placement isn't just about convenience, it's about guiding your audience through the buying journey. When you make it easy for viewers to find and use your affiliate links, you're helping them make informed decisions while also increasing your own commissions. Ultimately, the goal is to create a seamless experience where viewers can quickly find and purchase the products you recommend. The easier you make it, the more likely they are to support you through your affiliate links. Bundling products increases value for your audience and your affiliate earnings. Create themed kits, like a first-grade art kit or middle school writing essentials, grouping related items together. Offer pre-populated Amazon carts or curated lists for one-click shopping. Explain your choices to build trust and authority. Bundles save parents time and mental energy, making them more likely to buy. Present solutions, not just products. Bundling is a win-win for creators and shoppers alike. That's our 2025 Back-to-School Amazon Guide, from essentials to tech. Which product surprised you most? Share your picks or tips in the comments. If this helped, subscribe, and check the links below to shop early and save. Early shopping beats inflation and shipping delays. Don't wait. Tools and Decor USA, helping you shop smarter and stress less. See you next time.